Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to reply to a post on X, formerly Twitter. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to go to X, open the app, and after that choose the post that you want to reply to it. Just click on it to open it, and after that, as you can see, you will find the replies here, and to reply you have just to click on the comment icon. It's an icon like the comment, and just click on it, and as you can see, you are writing a reply now to that post. And if you want to post it, you have just to click on post on the top right of the screen, and your reply will be posted. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video. See you in the next one.